Hi Heidi, this is your math lesson for Thursday, September 3rd. I just wanted to remind you that there is no school on Friday or Monday. So the next day that we will be meeting together would be Tuesday, September 8th. Okay? So no school Friday and no school Monday. So for today's math lesson, we're going to practice counting to 100 by singing and dancing to this fun and crazy song. So this guy his name is Jack Hartman, and he makes some fun videos about counting, and he does exercises while he does it, so it's kind of fun. So feel free to stand up and dance and count out nice and loud to 100.
To 100 every day. Keep your mind and body in shape. Let's get fit, have some fun. Count to 100 by ones. Get ready to exercise and count. Rubber band stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Elevator up and down. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Roller skate. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Windshield wipers. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Soccer kicks. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Tug of war. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Rock climb. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Jump rope. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. Olympic swim. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. Pony ride. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Count to 100 every day. Keep your mind and body in shape. Let's get fit, have some fun. Count to 100 by ones.
All right. So hopefully you counted to 100 with him. And I also wanted to talk to you about skip counting by tens. So we can also skip count all the way up to 100 by tens. So if you are at home watching this video with me, you can count with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. All right, great job. So just a reminder, no school on Friday or Monday, and I will see you on Tuesday the 8th. Have a great weekend, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye, Heidi.